Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. Alright, today we're working on a Fisher Paykel top load washer, and the complaint is it's not agitating, not washing the clothes very well. So we're going to open it up and take a look at our agitator first thing. For this repair, there are no tools required. Alright, so we're just going to open the lid up here, and actually to make things a little bit easier and get the lid out of our way, it's really easy to take the lid off. We're just going to pull straight up on it and remove it. Alright, and if we take a look at the agitator here, seems a little loose. So we're going to take a look at it. We're going to remove the agitator. First thing we're going to do here is remove our fabric softener cup. This just pulls straight up and off. And then there's a plastic nut down there that we can turn with our hand to remove the agitator. So we're just going to get down in here and turn this counterclockwise until you can remove the nut completely. Okay, so there's that, and now the agitator should come straight up and off, and we can remove it. Alright, so what happens with the agitators, these plastic splines attach to the transmission shaft, which are metal splines. So these are going to wear down first over time. Just the plastic wears down, and then the agitator becomes loose, and as the shaft's churning for agitation, it's just reaming out the inside, or it's not engaging in the splines there. So the agitator then doesn't move. So if we take a look, here are the metal splines that the agitator goes on. So for this repair, we're going to be replacing our agitator. Alright, so just take the new agitator and put it back on. Make sure it's seated all the way. We're going to take our nut and reinstall it. Alright, you don't want to, it'll tighten up and stop pretty much right where it goes, or right when it's tightened up all the way. You don't want to over crank on that, being that it's a plastic nut. And then just the fabric softener cup goes on, which just pushes down in there. It doesn't really snap into place or anything, you just put it on there all the way, and you can see now the agitator is nice and tight. And last, we can just reinstall the lid. Just going to put the grooves here on those two tabs and push it down, make sure it closes properly, and that will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.